I'm trading one ticker, one system, S&P 500 futures every single day for a full year. And we're going to journal the process so this way we can improve our execution. I think my execution still lacks a lot. Uh, Today is day 54. I was up about 200 plus at one point today and took a big loss over here to because I went bigger on the size, thinking I was gonna catch the bottom of the day, and didn't catch the bottom of the day. So ended up being negative $49 for today. But signals was really effective today. Show you why I missed that bottom today. So on our 30-minute time frame, had the support over here at like 67.15 ish. So I thought we were gonna hit it, and we did hit it. We did hit it. And I went with a pretty wise support. I had even a 20-point support, and so I'll show you this level here, right? So I was looking at, and and then we had a flash crash there, and then we recovered it. So I made some money there, right? And then I put it order there again, and then the second time it hit, we have flushed just enough to take out my stop loss. So 67.14, stop loss is like 20 points. Initial stop loss 10 points. Then I made the bigger stop loss 20 points and still got kicked out. And once I got stopped out, the market reversed and ran all the way back. So from here, 67.14 to 67.40s, so almost like a 25 plus move. Pretty good move, honestly. But just it's just a humbling experience at times. Like you think you timed the bottom, but no, you didn't. It's not easy to time the bottom. The market could do whatever it wants, right? Um, so let's go over the trend for today as well. Yesterday, I thought we were setting up this pretty nice bull flag, and I said that if we lost this level, that bull flag would be invalidated. So the level was 67.60, right? And we did lose it. We lost it at some point. We bounced it initially, and then so you see first market drop, we bounced it, we cover, and then we lost it. Then after that, we just kind of flushed and saw some resistance right there as well. As you can see, like losing it. We bounced it multiple times actually. Bounced it here, and then eventually we lost it. Used the resistance, came back down, back test, and then hit that 67.60 area again, and lost it again, right? And then now we're just kind of bearish. So things are starting to switch directions a little bit. Um, the moving average are starting to converge to the downside. So our bullish level is also somewhat of a bearish level now. Uh, Looking into the next few days, we'll see how that plays out. But I'll keep the levels the same. At this point, I think we're somewhat in neutral zone. But if we hit there, we don't break over, we'll probably come back down. And then if we come back down, we don't bounce here, then we can come back down more. But I think that's the direction we're gonna look to go. It's sad that we couldn't continue pushing up. I think partly of that was due to Netflix earnings. The Netflix earning was pretty bad, and usually I've been playing earnings for a long time, and I've always said this, like if Netflix earnings is bad, that means the start of the season for the earnings season is bad. That sets the precedent for all the tech earnings in general. All tech earnings going forward should be bad, and we just had Tesla earnings today, and that didn't do that well as well. Uh, so it'll be interesting to see how that data play continue to play out throughout the week. But let's go over the signals today as well. I'll show you some signals that we had today, and they were phenomenal. I'll tell you why. So 9:35, we had a market structure bearish signal, which tells us short the MOB. Bam, we short the MOB, made money there, right? 10:30, we had a DP sell signal, which is over here, give or take, somewhere in this range. Tells a lot of market maker was unloading there as well, both in the dark pool and the natural volume there. So that means you want to short any move back to the resistance. So this could be a short here. These could be a shorting areas here. And then 10:56, we had a buy signal that did end up pushing up. So over here wants to push up because we're still in that DP sell signal. Want to short, and then eventually flush. And then 12:30, we had another DP sell signal, which ended up flushing the market like a flash crash right there. We recovered it. You want to short it because DP sell signal allows you to make multiple short positions, especially when it comes back to resistance. It just means that market makers are unloading and they're positioned bearish side. So that means any recovery you want to short into it because they will eventually sell into that. So that ended up happening, especially within the first like 30 minutes to 60 minutes, somewhat. And then 12:30, so that was the 12:30 signal, and then 2 p.m. was when we had a buy signal that kind of somewhat. So that was over here, and that kind of reversed the market for the rest of the day because we were so oversold. We did eventually like get that recovery. So that's pretty much it for the market today. Hope that was helpful. These levels we're looking at for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and and have a great night.